Hello and welcome back to this final session in Build Your Own Power App Solutions, where we're going to focus on Powerapps Portals. So what is a Powerapps Portal? It is a portal, it is a window into your dataverse. So you need to have a dataverse in your environment. You need to have a data model in there that you can leverage from to interact with the Powerapps portal, and it's about engaging with external customers and partners. And there's a simple interface to create websites that are mobile responsive. And of course, you've got all the data available in Dataverse, but then of course you've got all of the back-end power of Power Automate and Power Automate that can go and do things in the background as well. And of course, it's a very no code, low code platform. So it needs to have a Dataverse, and what you need to do in Dataverse is you need to create views and forms. So the Dataverse has these things called tables, used to be called entities, and each table has various different things. One of those things is forms that allow you to input data into that entity, and the second thing is views that allow you to view data of that entity. So you need to have these things set up so you can display them in Portal, and then you can choose how users interact with that data. So are they view only? Are they create? Can they edit? You might want the situation where you're just gathering a survey data so people can create, but they can never view and they can never edit. Lots of different ways of interacting with the data, and you can select how to do that in portals. Importantly, the data submitted from the portal is immediately integrated into the Dataverse, into the app, into the solution. And similarly, any data that's updated in the Dataverse is instantly visible if the users are viewing data in the Dataverse within the portal as well. You can personalize the portal. You can have parent and child pages. You can brand the portal as well, and you can add things like variables of the logged in user into the portal as well if you choose to use authentication. You can secure the access to the internal data, admin tools to customize the access for individual users, and you can have either interact anonymously if the data is publicly available for consumption, or if you need to have it authenticated, then there are authentication partners. So such as Microsoft Work or School account, that is a particular type of authentication, or you can have a Google account can authenticate you, or a Facebook account. So you can have these different ways of registering to interact and register for your portal that you can control. Having said that, we are not going to do that in the labs. This is just a very, very high level introduction of Powerapps Portals, and join us for that lab in the next video. See you there.